The repetition is really, really important. What happens with most families is they get caught in this trap of this endless therapies waiting for something to happen. And it's not really repetition that gets it there, but it's really perfect practice makes perfect. So if we keep practicing things the wrong way, we never get that function. If we keep trying to do things the right way, it's very frustrating because we have to keep on making incremental progress to get to that stage. But by the time we can do it properly. The simplest example would be walking after a stroke. Most people are dragged into standing, their legs are tied up with a brace, and then they're forced to walk, and they hobble along, where half their body doesn't move, so they keep struggling to move. Right? And then they eventually achieve walking through spasticity, but they get deformities in their ankle and their knee and their hip and their entire spine. They get one more neck pain, or they don't want to walk, but they have to walk for daily activities. So the idea here being, if we do repetition, it's good, but also the other side is intensity. So what we find for a lot of families is, reality is, short bursts of therapy are much more useful than a 1 hour session. The problem is families won't do the therapy, so they'll call someone else to do it. And when they call someone else to do it, that person will bill by time. So you can't really bill for 30 minutes of work, you bill for an hour of work. And then in that time, what happens is the body starts to fatigue. Most of the time, tendons can handle about 30 minutes of exercise, then they fatigue, meaning whatever stress is coming onto the body now goes into the muscle, and then the muscle starts getting damaged, or the whole musculoskeletal system gets affected by these things. So again, short bursts of high quality movement with an intention can really make a difference for a patient, rather than just very vigorous, intense therapy to the point the person is screaming, or endless therapy for years.